So I just watched Happy Death Day. Well, yesterday and today I watched Happy Death Day 1 and 2. And I loved it. It was definitely interesting the way that they used the idea. And I like the original one, the way that a bit more. I think the second one got a bit too complicated, but that's for later. The first one had goods. I would say the villain in it. I'm not going to say who it is, because the idea is to figure out who it is. I found definitely the reason. It definitely is an interesting reason, and the way, not like interesting in the bad way, interesting as in, oh, you know when you hear it, you'll be like, oh, this is what he was talking about. And definitely it's interesting in how the whole sort of story is building up to its eventuality. I would say the sequel, which I'm now getting onto, I do like it, but I definitely thought the around about when they went on to the second part, I didn't know why they did that. Why they didn't just do the sort of like a similar idea to, because when you start it, it looks like, oh, this is just like the similar idea to the first one, but with this guy. And yeah, that's a good idea because then you can build more ideas of how it works, why this is happening. And that it just went away in the first one, and then instead of went away, it just went to someone else. Makes some sort of could make some sense. So yeah, I still thought it was a good film, but I think it could have been a bit better if they would have changed some elements. But yeah, I would definitely recommend to watch both Happy Death Day 1 and Happy Death Day 2.